Hey folks, this is Dan, the cleaning man, back with you. I just wanted to pass along a video in regards to cleaning large spaces, little, tips and tricks in regards to being productive and maintaining them spaces. And again, just a reminder, don't hesitate to leave your comments from your experiences, any questions or anything I can support you on in regards to that, and any future cleaning videos you want me to pass along to you. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope you get some education from this or entertainment. So keep it clean out there. Take care.
Cleaning large spaces can be daunting, but with the right tools, techniques, and mindset, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to clean huge spaces like a pro in 2024. From selecting the best equipment to eco-friendly solutions, we've got you covered. First things first, you need the right tools. Large spaces demand equipment that's both efficient and effective. For floors, consider using industrial-grade backpack vacuums or floor scrubbers. These machines cover more ground in less time and offer deep cleaning that traditional methods can't match. Microfiber mops are your best friend for dry and wet cleaning. Their ability to trap dust and dirt makes them perfect for expansive areas. And don't forget the power of a good extendable duster. Getting to those high corners and ceiling fans is a breeze. Organization is key when cleaning large spaces. Start by setting up a brute barrel on wheels and an apron with all your essentials. This way you won't waste time running back and forth for supplies. Labeling compartments for different areas or cleaning tasks can make your job easier. Next, divide the space into zones. Cleaning one area at a time helps you stay focused and ensures nothing gets overlooked. For each zone, start from the top and work your way down. This way, any dust or debris that falls will be picked up as you clean the floors. Time is money, especially when cleaning large areas. Pros rely on a few clever hacks to speed things up. One trick is to pre-treat stains in heavily soiled areas before you start the general cleaning. This gives the cleaning solution time to work, making it easier to remove dirt and grime later. A squeegee is a must for large windows and glass surfaces. It leaves a streak-free finish much faster than paper towels or cloths. And when mopping, use a figure-8 motion. This covers more ground and avoids spreading dirt around. Once you've put in the hard work to get a space spotless, maintaining that cleanliness is crucial. Set up a regular cleaning schedule that breaks down tasks into manageable daily, weekly, and monthly chores. For example, dusting and vacuuming might be done daily, while deep cleaning the floors and windows could be a weekly task. In 2024, eco-friendly cleaning isn't just a trend, it's a necessity. Opting for green cleaning products helps the environment and ensures a safer space for everyone. Look for products labeled as biodegradable, non-toxic, and free from harsh chemicals. Examples include neutral cleaners like Alpha and Stride. You can also make eco-friendly solutions using simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice. Also, electrolyzed water is produced using an electrolysis device that applies an electric current to a solution of salt and water. The process splits the salt, sodium chloride, into its components, creating a mixture of hypochlorous acid, a powerful disinfectant, and sodium hydroxide, an effective cleaning agent. This solution is non-toxic, eco-friendly, and can be used as a sanitizer or disinfectant in various cleaning applications, including janitorial services. These natural cleaners are highly effective and gentle on surfaces, plus they're cost-effective and easy to make. Not all surfaces are created equal, especially in large spaces. Specialty surfaces like marble, hardwood, or stainless steel require extra care to maintain their appearance and longevity. Always use pH-neutral cleaners for marble and other natural stones to avoid etching or discoloration. When it comes to hardwood floors, less is more. Use a damp mop rather than a soaking wet one to prevent water damage, and consider using a dedicated hardwood cleaner for the best results. A microfiber cloth and vinegar will keep stainless steel streak-free and shiny without scratching. By tailoring your approach to each surface, you'll ensure that the entire space looks clean and stays in great condition for years to come. There you have it, expert tips to help you clean large spaces like a pro. You can confidently tackle any big cleaning project with the right tools, strategies, and a little know-how. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks from Dan the Cleaning Man. Until next time, keep it clean.